2.1. Outline the historical development of the models of the universe from the time of Aristotle to the time of Newton. The key thing here is to understand the key scientists at the times of the discussion around the expanding universe, like Friedman, Hubble, and so on, and Einstein. Just so you know that this video has 2 slides, this is the first slide to the video. So the steady state model is a static universe model where early astronomers believed that the universe was infinite in size. They also believed that it never really changed. This was part of the steady state model and was accepted up until the 1920s. So the expanding universe. In 1922, Friedman, a meteorologist and a mathematician, proposed 2 different models of the nature of the universe. He was able to construct these models based on his observations and take into account Einstein's theory of relativity, which suggested that time and space are curved. He proposed 2 models, which is a closed and an open universe. A closed universe is in which both time and space have a beginning and an end, where an open universe began with a Big Bang, which produced a constant expansion in time and space have no end. In the 1920s, there was a scientist called Edward Hubble who discovered that galaxies can either accelerate away from our galaxy or accelerate towards our galaxy, which was key, and he adopted this model by using the Doppler effect with his telescopes and measuring their speeds. So he graphed these distances and the velocity of them, and he found that there was an acceleration of expansion. And this is key to understand how the model has progressed in time. So this led to him to discover what we now know as Hubble's law. So the further away the galaxy, the faster it is travelling. In other words, he realised the universe was expanding, not stationary or unchanged. He was a key scientist at the time and someone that was really respected, and you can see that by the Hubble telescope, which is still in operation now. So the Big Bang model, which is led on from his discoveries. So to support for the Big Bang models, which suggest an initial huge explosion producing large amounts of energy in the form of radiation, followed on by very quickly from the work of Friedman, Hubble, and Einstein. So this was something that was in its development stages. However, it was fast becoming accepted by these 3 scientists and many more at the time. There was evidence for an expanding universe which supported the idea of some sort of initial explosion. Now, scientists today have been confirming this and trying to gather some evidence around this, and the most latest discovery is a CMD background image, cosmic radiation background image of the earliest time frame of space and time, and that has now revolutionized our models of the universe and understanding what happened at the beginning of space and time.